In this video, we're going to be showing you how to come into bridge pose or Setu Bandhasana. So starting off on your back, bending your knees and making sure that your heels are flat and firm on the mat. Okay, your arms are by your side. Try to bring your legs as close as you can so you can tickle the backs of the heels with your fingers. Awesome. So using your hands as a support, inhale as you lift your hips up towards the ceiling as high as you can. If you feel comfortable here, you can bring the arms underneath your back and interlace the fingers, making sure to keep the hands on the mat. Good. Lifting as high as you can for 5 breaths. And when you want to lower down, you can release the arms first, using them as a support, and slowly lowering down inch by inch all the way down to the mat. You can also try this pose with a block. So once again, starting off, lifting those hips up, this time using that block at whichever height that you would like, placing it on the flattest part of your low back, and breathing here for 5 breaths.